A very quick one this afternoon. For the sake of those who have not known my name or have not come across to me on this platform, my name is Gnld. I'm the TV director in Neolife and also a Neolife promoter. I've been in Neolife for a couple of years. So I will quickly answer some questions some people have been asking or text on some of the comment on this platform on how they can have access to Team Neolife mobile app. Now, very quick one. When we are talking about Team Neolife mobile app, Neolife have two mobile apps. There is one called Neolife back office app and the one Neolife Team Neolife app. Team Neolife back office app, that one is directly to your replicated site. Everything on your replicated site at back office of your replicated site. Also, you can find that on my back office app, Neolife back office app. But when we are talking about Team Neolife app, that is for content creations where you can find the videos, the audio from the founders, the story of successful people, and other PDF flyers that you can share with your idea perspective or your target customers. Maybe if you are on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on social media, with just a link on any of content on that Team Neolife app, you can direct your customer from WhatsApp to your replicated site or from your WhatsApp to your email. Now, there are so many ways you can use Team Neolife app. If you're familiar with email marketing, maybe you have already know about you are an email marketers. You know, for you to have access to send message to about thousands of people, you have to subscribe to the third party, which is either Ariba, GetResponse, Mailchimp, and other platforms like that. Some are offering like monthly subscription and yearly subscriptions, which is, if you are already familiar with those things, you will understand what I'm saying. Team Neolife app can be used as that because there are so many templates companies have already built for you to use it for email marketing. Do you get it? So instead of you copy one message, changing name of one person to another, before you can send a message on email to about 10 or 50 or 100 or 1,000 people. If you have access to Neolife app, with just a click of a message, your message can deliver to 1,000, 2,000, even millions of people at once. And the system will mention those names, those names individually, like the way you always receive a message, an email message from some people you have already subscribed to their email letters or names. You can see that when the emails land on your inbox, the first thing many of them mention is your name. You can be wondering, how do they type name of one person and change it? No, they are not the one typing the names. There is a system, there is a program that is being programmed on the template that will mention everybody's name. That is how Team Neolife app will work. Team Neolife work is working. You see, that is work of Team Neolife app. Now, you can use Team Neolife in different way, which that is not what I want to say right now, because the knowledge on how to use Team Neolife app is wide and deep. You have to study on how to use each template and information on Team Neolife app. But the question many people ask is how they can have access to it. Now, if you are new to Neolife, maybe you registered 1 month, 2 months ago, or this month. Immediately you register, you have 90 days free trials. Neolife will give you 90 days free trial to try the app, to survey and to change some information that you want to change to your own. You want to customize, you want to update your email, your social media handles, your phone numbers. You want to link your WhatsApp business link to it. So Neolife give you 90 days to do that and to survey if you know how to use it. After 90 days, your free trial will expire, which is 3 months. If you want to have access to it again, you have to subscribe. Per year is 7,500 naira. Right now, it might change later. 7,500 naira. So that will give you an access for a year to use the app. I mean, Team Neolife app. The other one, which that link to your back office, that one is free. There's no suspicion of that, which is back office, Team Neolife app back office. If you type the two on the Play Store, you have two apps, back office app and Team Neolife app. I'm talking about the Team Neolife app. That is the one you can subscribe on. The other one is free. There's no suspicion on that, and you have access to log in with your normal login details, your username, which is your ID numbers, and the same password you use to log into your back office on your web site is the login detail you are going to use to have access to that. But when it comes to Team Neolife app, there's slight difference in both apps. You will have access on how to log in until you subscribe or you have found your login details when you have your free trials. So I'll quickly show you some things when I'm sharing my video. I came online very quickly with unannounced. So I won't ask if there's anybody online right now, but if you are online later, you can drop any question you have on Team Neolife app, which I'm going to give you a response on that. So let me quickly share my screen and show you some things to understand. Now, if you see my screen right now, you can see I'm showing you this from the presentation slide, which you have two apps with me right now. This one is the one I say about the back office app, which is Team Live Back Office. This one is free. You can get it on Play Store. And if you are using an Apple or an iOS phone, smartphone, you can get it, can download it on Apple Store too. You can download it on Play Store, on Google Play Store. This is Team Neolife app. This one you have 90 days with 3-month free trials. Starting from the day you register to the 3 months, it's going to be expired. After then, you can subscribe, you want to have access to it. Now, the same way you have the app, you have also dashboard separately at the back of your web site. There's your dashboard of Team Neolife app at the back of your web site at your back office. If you don't subscribe on this Team Neolife app, you might not have that dashboard. So I'm using Team Neolife app, the subscription on. That is why I can have the dashboard. Now, let me stop this screen and show you the next one. Okay, you can see this right now. This is my dashboard of my Team Neolife app right from my web site. You will find it under your photo under your picture profile. Once you log in to your back end, under homes, you will have where you have your photo and your status or your title. You will find them under that. You will find where they write manage my website, your referral link, and the dashboard. That dashboard is the one for Team Neolife app. So at the back office here, you will find some details like how you can use media. You can see here is an image template that Neolife app give to you. That is not what I'm here to explain. Now, if you want to have access, you want to have your login details, you will come to your profile here Then go to the setting. Then when it opens, it's coming up. Then you go to the setting on your profile. You will now come to mobile app access code. Mobile app access code. When you click on mobile app access code, then you will see your Teamneolife login details here. This is username. The username and the access password to log on the Teamneolife app is different from your login, your website details. Because I can see a lot of people are asking either they are going to use their website login details to have access to Teamneolife app. No. Now, here is my own business username, business startup. You can see username of this app as a present doesn't change. I don't know, Neolife can upgrade it later. Now you can change it to your own username that's different from the one we are using on the website site. And you can see the website site username is by default our hiding numbers. At the end of the day, when they give you a login details, which is the password, you can change that at back office. But here, this access code is your password to log in on the Teamneolife app. So until you have access to that, to the subscription, that is where you can log in and come here to come and add your username and the access code, which is the password. If you have free trials now, you can log into your website site, go to your back office, where I mentioned, you will see dashboard. Click on the dashboard, you will land at the back here. When you click on the dashboard, you will land here immediately. You will land where I showed you. You will land here and come here, click on setting. Once you click on setting, then scroll down to the pop-up page where you will see the pop-up page. Then click on mobile app access code. When you click on mobile app access code, then you have your username and your access code to log in to your Teamneolife app. I think this answers your question for those who is keeping asking on this group. So I'll give you this. If you have, I repeat, if you have free trials, which is your 30 days free trials, your 90 days free trials, which is 3 months, you can use the opportunity to come and secure your user and access code right now. Then when you are ready to use it to an effective way or to maximize on it to build your business, then you can now pay for the subscription. But right now, if you are not having access and if you don't have any knowledge on how to use it, you don't need to subscribe for it because you're just wasting your money. You get it? But for the sake of the question people are asking, like how they can have access to it. So I've shown you how you can have your login details to your Teamneolife mobile app. So we quickly do this right now and share it to as many Neolife groups as you can and share it as many of your downline as you can who are also wanted to know how they can have access to Teamneolife app. So have a wonderful day as you are building your business up to the great level, and I wish you a successful month ending. So bye-bye.